I have a box. We will now play What is Inside the Box? Ooh, Walmart box. The packing peanuts again! Alright, here lately I've been buying a lot of PAL dispensers. Oh. And here is the PAL we got. Look at the packing peanuts. At least there's no glitter. Sending somebody glitter, it's the worst. Simply the worst. Alright. This PEZ dispenser is dead. He is not breathing. Here we go. Oh, there's a little crud there. I don't know if that's melted plastic. I don't know. Maybe we'll try to clean it off. This will be an IMC2. Happy little pal. When we look inside of the head, you'll see the two holes in there for the pegs. The one peg will be for this particular hat here. As you can see, it just slides right in there. And he's a happy little PEZ pal. Now, this has the full cheeks. As you can see here, the Hong Kong, there will be a line that comes down here, cut in the plastic. The Hong Kong, they were doing, what they could to save money on plastic. Remember, plastic companies make money on selling less plastic. Make sense? Regardless. The Austria one, this is considered the full cheek. Again, with all the holes still in the head. The IMC2 produced a lot of PEZ Pals, a lot of Disney as well. As you can see, the cool metal spring. Spring works just good. Inner spring works good. The tab, very important to have that tab there. And here's your candy kicker still in place. And I'm going to say red square button, yes. Red square button on the inside. So there you go. I got another cop today. So you know what that means. I better put him on some nice boots. There we go. And the reason we put him on boots, if he wants to stand with the rest of the crew, he's got to have shoes. And them some fancy ones. So until next time, let me hear questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then.